Alright, so in this video I want to show you how to automate the neuroflipai bot, right? So please, it's very important that you follow every information that I'm going to share in this video so that you won't be asking questions that have been answered on this video. Follow everything, and of course we've tested this video, we've tested this bot, and it's perfectly working. So how do you get the bot? So one is, I'm going to give you an access, a link or a link. So once I send you the link, all right, so follow every instructions. Like I said, I'm going to send you this bot. All you just have to do is to copy it. It's a link. I'll send it to you once you want to, once you have access. So you come here and you come to your Telegram account and search for the bot. Right, so you see it here. So for those that have an account before, that have the details of this bot, all you just have to do is to clear history, right? See, check it and delete. Please don't block the bot. If you see where they ask you to block the bot, just uncheck that part, right? And if you are new to the bot, so this is what is going to show you. But if you are not new to the bot, just tap on these three dots and clear the history of the bot, right? But if you are new, this is what is, once you click on once you search for that bot, this is what is going to give you, right? So what you are going to do, just tap on start. Now when you tap on start, the next thing you are to do, let me show you what you have to do next. Guys, please kindly hold on a bit. Alright, so when you click on start, you are going to get this information. Just read everything, go up, and you see what you have to do is to request for access, right? Once you tap on request for access, you see what it said, put your Gmail address, the Gmail address you use to register your account with me, that Gmail address. Now for you to get access, just send the Gmail address to me and then ask me to accept it for you. You understand? So that's what you need. So send the request. Once you send it like this, then it's going to ask for you to grant access. So I'll be the one to grant you access to this bot, right? So let me quickly pause this video and go and grant this bot an access, right? Right, you can see that the bot has been granted an access, right? See, access approved. Welcome to neuroflipai snapper. You can now have full access to all features. Send/start to begin trading, right? So all you just have to do is to tap on /start, right? Once you tap on /start, then the next thing you have to do is to connect app. Just tap on this connect app, right? Tap on this connect app, right? Once you tap on this connect app, you wait, then you can see download app, right? Just follow on download the tap button, just tap on this to download the app. So we're unable to also put our bot on Play Store yet because of some reasons, because of the time, especially the time. It's going to take us about 2 weeks to install this bot on Play Store. Well, that's why we're out to put it on the server. So that's why it is on the server for now. So pending the time we are able to put it on Play Store, you can also download it freely, right? So all you just have to do here is to tap on download app, then click on open, right? Then you can download the app, right? See, the app is downloading at the moment, so let's wait for it to finish downloading. You see, I've downloaded it today already, but because of this video, that's why I'm recording it, right? So let me just pause this video till it finished downloading. Alright, so that's finished downloading. The next thing I have to do now is to install it. Just tap on it and install. You wait for it to install, right? So once it's done installing, then you open, right? So you don't have anything to do with the Telegram anymore. Everything you want to do here is on this app. Now, what are you asked to do? Enter your login code, a 6-digit code that was sent via the Telegram bot. So go back to the Telegram channel and search for the code. Now, how do you get the code now? Now look at it. Look at this step 3. Enter your login code. You can see the code here, 936168. So I'll come here and put it 936168, right? You can see, then you can now allow notifications, so you can be getting notification on the app. So this is where you are going to do your setup. So how do you go about it? Tap on settings, scroll up, you can see IQ option credentials. Just tap on this arrow here, right? Then put your email and your password. This is my email, so let me pause this video to put my password. Okay, you can see that my password has been inputted. So all you just have to do is I tap on test connection, right? So you can see that connection is successful already. So once you do that, you tap on update credentials. Credentials has been successfully updated, right? So the next thing is ensure that the password, the email and the password is correct. Ensure it is that same Gmail you use on the Telegram you used to also test it and log in, because if you don't, there's no way it's going to work for you. So what's the next thing now is to come to this place, the risk settings, right? You want to set your risk. You can set it on a fixed price, you can set it on a percentage price. Please, if you have less than $100 on your account, or let's say less than $500, don't put it on a percentage, put it on a fixed price, and you can start with as low as $1. So for me, let's say I want to start with a $10 for instance. So now I've put it on $10 like that, and the next thing I'm to do is to come here and switch from manual to automatic. I switch from manual to automatic. So the thing has been done like that. All you just have to do is now wait. Sorry, now it's on automatic. Okay, so you see, notes, I was able to you have to click on this automatic before you set your price, right? Because now, okay, let me show you an example. I set $10 now and I switch from automatic to manual. You see that the price is going to come back to $1. You can see 1.0, right? So come and set your automatic first, and once you set your automatic first, then you now come and set your price to $10. So once you are done, okay, so just tap on done. So you can see once you tap on done, this is done here on your typing part. Just tap on done and everything is done. So you start receiving signals from here. So once the first signal enter, it's going to show here, but also trade on your account automatically without you having to do anything at all. You can see on the way account, the risk is $10 and we're on a 2 minutes time frame, right? So once the signals start dropping now, we are going to start seeing it from here. Maybe I should just pause this video to get a signal. Once I get a signal, then I'm going to show you. But if at all I didn't show you, you should know what to do at all. You should know what to do from here, right? So let's pause this video. Pending time I'm able to see a signal then. Alright, so I just get now. The afternoon section start by 1:10, and this is just 12:37, right? This is the back end. This is start by 1:10, so I can't wait then, right? And that's why we are not going to be seeing a signal now, right? But just check, you can see morning section start from 8:10 to 12 o'clock, afternoon section start from 1:10 to 4 o'clock, evening section start from 7:10 to 7:10 to 11, then the midnight section start from 2 to 5 a.m. in the morning. All right, so guys, if you have any question, please ask me. Please also watch the video to the end for better explanation on how this stuff works. So that's it. Once you set up your bot, just leave it will start working on your account automatically, and ensure that your credentials are fully corrected. Ensure that it is correct so that it start working on your account. You can see that it's connected already. You can see the connection here. There's nothing you are doing apart from that. That's the only thing you are doing here. You see how this is seamless and very, very simple to do. So guys, that's just it. I wish you luck in this thing. Of course, you are going to make money with this, right? You are going to make money, and I tell you of a guarantee that you are going to make money. Just follow every simple process and every simple steps. Thank you.